Welcome, in front of me is an LG G8s, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, all you need to do is find it in the notification panel. So it should be somewhere either here on the next page, and I can see it as the last option. And once you find it, what you want to do is hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings where we can quickly customize how exactly it will work. So we have mode. We have two different options. We have priority only or total silence. Priority gives us the option to actually customize it, while total silence is a predefined one, which is kind of self-explanatory. Basically puts the device into total silence so it won't make any kind of noises. And once we go back, we have select priority. So this will allow us, like I said, customization here. So we have calls and messages. Both of them has the same option. So no one, everyone, contacts, and favorites, with the difference of calls also having this toggle right here. So if, for instance, calls are selected to no one, and in a way, no one should be able to reach us when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. But if you check this on, then if someone calls twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually be able to bypass whatever the option is right here. Now, if you're wondering about this option, would be the purpose of this if you want to have Do Not Disturb mode but people can call you. This is primarily, I would assume, for emergencies. When people call or spam call, they really want to get a hold of you, and this will allow them to basically reach you, because otherwise you would have no notification that someone is trying to call you. Now going out of here, we also have use Do Not Disturb, which is just a way to turn it on. Like so. As you can see, if I now go down, it is enabled. If I toggle it off and go back, you can see that it is also toggled off here. Now there's also a last option, which basically allows you to never bother with the Do Not Disturb mode ever again. So once you set it up once, that's all you will need to do. So it's the schedule, and by default there is only one right here, which is the sleeping one. Goes every day, starts at 10 p.m. and finishes at 7 a.m. But you can tap on add schedule, let's say weekly, and from here you can create your own. So if you want to select a work one, you just disable Saturday and Sunday. Then from, which is the start time, you want to start it probably from, for instance, 9 or 8, depending on what time you start work, and to, I guess 5 p.m. There we go. And then we also have the mode, which is the one that we have already set up, the priority only. But you can also go with total silence if that is something that you want. And then the last option is end if alarm rings. So if you set up an alarm clock somewhere in the time of 9 to 5 and it rings, for instance, at 4 or 3 p.m., it will end Do Not Disturb mode prematurely. So if you want something like that, you want to toggle it on. If you don't, then keep it off. And from here, once you save it, it automatically becomes enabled. And if it's right now the time for it to work, which it should be, it is going to be enabled in this case. So that is how you would set up your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.